Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 8, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, etc. Last two questions are for you. If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. So please watch the video till end. First question. Who got Laurus Sportsman Award and Sportswoman Award 2021? Answer: Rafael Nadal and Naomi Osaka. Spain's Rafael Nadal was named the 2021 Laureus Sportsman of the Year on Thursday, while fellow tennis player Naomi Osaka won the top women's honor. Japan's Osaka won her second US Open title last year, while Nadal equaled Roger Federer's record of 20 Grand Slam titles by claiming his 13th French Open crown. Second question. Which cricketer donates Rs 2 crore to a fundraising project of total 7 crore? Answer: Virat Kohli. Indian captain Virat Kohli and his actor wife Anushka Sharma have donated Rs 2 crore to fundraising project which will raise a total of 7 crore to support the country's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Third question. Which organization has developed an artificial intelligence algorithm that can detect the presence of COVID-19 disease in chest X-rays? Answer: DRDO. In a development expected to help diagnose COVID-19 in suspected patients faster, the Defense Research Development Organization and CAIR have created an artificial intelligence algorithm to help detect COVID-19 from chest X-rays. Fourth question. When is World Red Cross Day celebrated in every year? Answer: May 8th. The theme of this year is Together We Are Unstoppable. The World Red Cross Day is marked on May 8th every year to acknowledge the beliefs of Red Crescent Movement and International Red Cross. Fifth question. Which tech company has launched the world's first 2MN processor chip? Answer: IBM. The IBM unveils in the world's first 2 nanometer chip technology, opening a new frontier for semiconductors. Sixth question. Which union territory has launched an online portal to provide oxygen for home isolations? Answer: Delhi. The Delhi government has launched an online arrangement to supply oxygen to COVID-19 patients in home isolations. Seventh question. When is World Migratory Birds Day celebrated in 2021? Answer: May 8th. World Migratory Day 2021 is observed globally on May 8th. The aim of this day is to raise awareness of migratory birds and the importance of international cooperation to conserve them. Sing, fly, soar like a bird is the theme of this year's World Migratory Bird Day. Eighth question. Which city has topped in Prime Global City Q1 Index 2021? Answer: Shenzhen. The Prime Global Cities Index is valuation based index tracking the movement in prime residential prices in local currency across 45 plus city worldwide. Shenzhen ranked first with 18.9% annual change for the period Q1 2020 Q1 2021. Ninth question. Who has been appointed as the new director of ICAR? Answer: Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. Dr. Raman Meenakshi Sundaram has been appointed as the director of ICAR, Indian Institute of Rice Research, Hyderabad. Question. When is World Thalassemia Day observed every year? Answer: May 8th. May 8th is observed as World Thalassemia Day every year. The day commemorates the struggles of the patients suffering from genetic disorder and raise awareness about the disease and its symptoms. 11th question. Name India's first fully automatic hybrid tractor which was developed recently. Answer: HAVE S1. Proxecto launches India's first fully automatic hybrid tractor with no battery packs. With over 2 dozen industry first features to call itself the most innovative tractor of India. 12th question. Which company has launched Grand Water Saving Challenge? Answer: Hindustan Unilever. 13th question. Which organization has developed an anti-COVID drug for treatment of COVID-19 in India? Answer: DRDO. A drug to treat coronavirus patients developed by DRDO has been approved for the emergency use by country's top drug controller as India battles with the second wave of pandemic that is killing thousands every day. 14th question. Which country's rocket named Debris set to fall back to Earth? Answer: China. Debris from a Chinese rocket is expected to fall back to Earth in an uncontrolled re-entry this weekend. 15th question. What is the theme of World Thalassemia Day 2021? Answer: Addressing health inequality across the global thalassemia community.